Yo, what is up? It's Genetix. And man, guys, I actually really want to know what is inside of this dang legendary incubator. Is it going to be good? Like, is it worth it? Let's find out. Oh, wow, they have two. So I can collect two of these. But let's see if it's worth it because wow, that's 200 legendary DNA, and this is just random. Okay. Interesting. I'll buy one. Just check it out. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Let's just do a second one. I mean, come on. That was so cool. Rajankleosaurus. So apparently it's just random. I mean, wow, that is freaking cool. Let's create this new legendary. Honestly, I live in the area. It would be pretty easy to unlock. I mean, I have 916 Regisaurus DNA, but we all know I want that this guy right here, Trichosaurus. I want him so badly. Yeah, I'm at I think 9. Oh my gosh, they deleted my so right here I had easy. I had one of these special events, and there was a T-Rex. I did not dart the T-Rex because oh, look at that. What's that over? Are you kidding me? Look at that. You guys see what I'm seeing? In the corner, there's I think it's a Kulosuchus. He's just kind of chilling next to that strike tower, and I cannot click on him. I just keep on clicking on the strike tower. I don't want the strike tower. I want that epic DNA. And see, that's what people are annoyed about. You know, Ludia, can you please delete that? I mean, come on, guys. It's not hard. Gosh, I know a little bit about programming. I took a C++ class, and no, it's not that hard. Quit being lazy, guys. Fix it. Alright, let's just see if I'm good at darting at the moment. So what I've discovered is I have to warm up before I'm very good at darting. I'm a normal person. I'm not a pro. So somehow these pros were able to immediately dart everything perfectly. I mean, I assume they probably edit their videos and only use the ones that they darted perfectly, but come on. Look how many times I've clicked on this. I just want... So the hitbox. I just want the hitbox. Come on, baby. Nope. Cannot get it. Jeez. Jeez, Ludia. Jeez, man. Alright, baby. Look at that. Let's go. Come on. So, guys, like, comment, and subscribe, please. My first video with 10 likes, I am giving away a $10 gift card to a subscriber that leaves a like and a comment on the video. So, guys, leave likes and comments on my videos, and voila, you will receive a free $10 gift card. Or the opportunity for one. Just please like, comment, and subscribe. Love you guys. You do you. I'll do me. Later.